Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to see the unboxing of wireless mic for YouTubers dual channel Type C port version. First of all, I open the cover. I have ordered this on Amazon and it costs around 950. I unbox this cover and this is the bill, and here is the box. Now I am going to unbox this box. Let's unbox it. Company name is given here, wireless microphone. Model here S9 and color is black. MSKU number is given. Version Android 122. Noise cancellation AI mic. Okay, let's unbox it. Please scan the QR code or visit our official website to activate the warranty within 30 days of the purchase. 1 year warranty is given, and other warranty policies are given here. You can read on later. Wow, this is the mic. See the appearance. This is one mic. This is another one, because this is a dual channel mic. Okay, so you have two mics. Okay, and this is the receiver. You can insert this receiver to your Android phone or laptop in C-type port. Okay, this is C-type pin. So you can insert this into C-type port. This is the casing, and this is user manual given. If you have any doubt, you can read this user manual. Okay, and also you have here a cable. Okay, so to charge your mic, you can use this cable. Okay, this is of C type. So here I open this cable. So at a time you can charge a 2-channel mic. Okay, so you can insert this end to one channel here and another one to another channel here, another mic. So at a time you can charge both mic. Okay, this should be connected to a charger, normal phone charger. Okay, so it's of so nice. Also the build quality is so nice. We will upload another video about how it works. Okay, as of now build quality and other things are good. Okay, this is what unboxing of this wireless mic for YouTubers. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.